Talofa lover, and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we are giving you common Samoan phrases that you can use every day. Our first common Samoan phrase that you can use every day is Talofa lover. Talofa lover. Talofa lover. Talofa lover is hello. Another way for you to say hello in English. Samoan. Yep. Our next common Samoan phrase that you can use every day is walele. 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 Walele means okay, good. Our next common Samoan phrase that you can use every day is E te iloa whaasamoa. E te iloa whaasamoa. E te iloa whaasamoa. So iloa is to know, whaasamoa is Samoan. So do you know Samoan? Or you could probably also use it in turn of do you speak Samoan? Do you know Samoan? Is E te iloa whaasamoa. E te iloa tautala whaasamoa. Do you know how to speak Samoan? So yeah, do you know Samoan? Whawhatai te lover, and thank you for joining us at Measina Treasures of Samoa. This would not be able to happen if it were not for your support. So if you are finding value in our videos, please make sure to give it a like, and if you want to support us more, please subscribe to our channel. This channel is Ainga based. We are Samoan family, and we love to be able to see more Samoans scared me. More Samoans learning about their language and culture. This is why one of the products that we have recently released is Measina Cultural Connection. Measina Cultural Connection is a video library subscription. So we have videos and resources to teach and connect people to Samoan culture. So if you're wanting more than what we can show you here on YouTube, we seek out various Samoan cultural knowledge practitioners, and we hope to learn from them. So each month the subscription gives you 4 new videos that you can learn from. They currently range from Siva Afi, Ngangana Samoa, so Samoan language. We also have Samoan for children through our Tamaiti program. New episodes will be coming later this year. What else do we have? We've got cooking, we've got crafts, and we know that there's so much that we can still learn from the Samoan cultural practitioners, and we are so excited to build upon the library that we have and to give you more cultural resources that you can access from anywhere in the world and in your own time. So it's not time based. So if you want to learn Samoan Siva and you're in California and the only other classes are in Las Vegas, then that time difference is going to be a factor, and Measina Cultural Connection takes away that time difference. It brings you in control of your learning and your Samoan cultural journey. If you are wanting to connect to Samoan culture, the link for Measina Cultural Connection is in the description, and you can subscribe today. Our next common Samoan phrase that you can use every day is O te le tautala whaasamoa. O te le tautala whaasamoa. In the previous one I told you iloa is no, but it's not in this. Okay, ote is me, Le is like a negative. I don't. Tautala is speak, and fa Samoa is Samoan. So o te le tautala fa Samoa. O te le tautala fa Samoa. I don't speak Samoan. Our next common Samoan phrase that you can use every day is o te fia whaataitai ona tautala wha Samoa. O te fia whaataitai ona tautala wha Samoa. O te fia whaataitai ona tautala wha Samoa. So we're going to break that down. So we've got ote, which is you, me. Fear, I want to. Whaataitai is like practice, and tautala is speak. Wha Samoa, Samoan. So that translated, o te fia whaataitai ona tautala wha Samoa is I'd like to practice Samoan. I'd like to practice Samoan. O te fia whaataitai ona tautala wha Samoa. Our next common Samoan phrase that you can use every day is manuia le po. Manuia le po. Manuia le po. So we're going to break it down. Manuia is like wishing you well, good night, good, and po is night. So we're wishing you well in the night. So it's a version of saying good night. Manuia le po. Good night. Our next common Samoan phrase that you can use every day is whaamalie atu. Whaamalie atu. Whaamalie atu. Whaamalie atu. Whaamalie atu means I'm sorry, or you use it to apologize for something. Whaamalie atu. Whakataite lava, and thank you for joining us here at Measina Treasures of Samoa. We hope that you have enjoyed this video about common Samoan phrases. We want to make sure that you are paying attention. So if you can tell us in the comments what good night is in Samoan. So tell us the Samoan phrase for good night in the comments. It was in the video. If you don't remember, rewind, find out what it is, and then tell us in the comments what good night is in Samoan. Again, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like this video if you found value in it. Subscribe so that we can make more videos like this for you. We hope that you have a wonderful day, and don't forget to check out Measina Cultural Connection, who is bringing us this video today. The link is in the description. Whakataite lava, tō whāsoi fua.